Hi and welcome to Make It List Top 10s. India is the seventh largest country in the world with a total area of 3,286,592 square kilometer. It's a huge place with an abundance of natural beauties to explore, one of which is the waterfalls in India. So let's jump in and find out the top 10 highest waterfalls in India. Number 10. Jog Falls. Located at Siddhapur of Uttara Kannada district in the Indian state of Karnataka. Jog Falls is a combination of four falls named Raja, Rani, Roarer and Rocket. The falls is a major tourist attraction and monsoon is the best season to visit Jog Falls. Created by the Shravati river, Jog Falls has a drop of 830 feet, thus taking the 10th place. Number 9. Barkana Falls. Located at Ahumbe of Shimoga district in the Indian state of Karnataka. Barkana Falls is one of the most beautiful waterfalls. The cascading effect, milky color and evergreen forest of Western Ghats make Barkana Falls a memorable experience. Best time to visit Barkana Falls is between September, December and January. Formed by the Sita river, Barkana Falls has a drop of 850 feet, putting it right on the 9th place. Number 8. Thalayar Falls. Located at Devadanapatti of Theni district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Thalayar Falls is remarkably astonishing with its horsetail shape and a perfect place for trekking. The best time for visiting the falls would be September to May. Formed by the Manjala river, Thalayar Falls has a drop of 975 feet, thus taking the 8th place. Number 7. Meenmutti Falls. Located at Kalpetta of Wayanad district in the Indian state of Kerala. Meenmutti Falls is a three-tiered waterfall which is a water drop in a series of distinct steps of falls. Surrounded by green tea leaf plantation, it is formed by the ever gorgeous Kalla river. The best time to visit is from October to May. Meenmutti Falls has a drop of 984 feet, thus taking the 7th place. Number 6. Kindram Falls. Located 12 kilometers from Cherrapunji of East Khasi Hills district in the Indian state of Meghalaya. Kindram Falls is a three-tiered waterfall surrounded by the hills of Tangkarang Park, which is the main attraction of Cherrapunji. September and October are the time when the skies are relatively clear to visit. Kindram Falls has a drop of 1001 feet, thus taking the 6th place. Number 5. Dudhsagar Falls. Located in the Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Molham National Park among the Western Ghats of the Indian state of Goa. Dudhsagar Falls is a four-tiered waterfall. It is formed by the Mandovi river. The best time to visit Dudhsagar Falls is between the months of October and June. Dudhsagar Falls has a drop of 1017 feet, thus taking the 5th place. Number 4. Noskitang Falls. Located in the south of Mosmoi village in East Khasi Hills district in the Indian state of Meghalaya, also known as Seven Sisters Waterfalls or Mosmoi Falls. Noskitang Falls is a segmented waterfall. The limestone cliffs of the Khasi Hills let the waterfall plunge out of the cliff top. The months from October to May are the best time to visit Dudhsagar trip. Mosmoi Falls has a drop of 1033 feet, thus taking the 4th place. Number 3. Bahipani Falls. Located at the Simlipal National Park in Mayurbhanj district in the Indian state of Orissa. Bahipani Falls is a two-tiered waterfall surrounded by the huge mountains and greenery. The waterfall is situated at Mehasani mountain of the Eastern Ghats. It is formed by the Budabalanga river. The best time to visit the spot is between the months of October to June. Bahipani Falls is 1309 feet drop, thus taking the 3rd place. Number 2. Kunjikal Falls. Located at the Nidagodu village near Mastikate in Shimoga district of Indian state Karnataka. Kunchikal Falls is a cascade waterfall where water flows over a vertical drop or a series of steep steps in the course of a stream. July to September is the best time to visit. With the spectacular views of the falls, it has a drop of 1493 feet, thus taking the second place. Number 1. Vajrai Falls. Located approximately 27 km from the city of Satara of the Indian state Maharashtra, Bambavali Vajrai Waterfall is a three-tiered plunge waterfall. Vajrai Waterfall is the spot that you must visit during the monsoon. An astonishing view from the Sahyadri Hill, Vajrai Falls is a magnificent drop of 1840 feet, thus taking the first place. Looks like these drops are the perfect spots for you to drop your bucket list. Click on the thumbs up if you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel for more top 10 videos. Click on this video to know about the top 10 richest people of India in 2020. This is Charmati. See you soon.